Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a handy humidity meter with the temperature and dew point. This lower one, this is on off switch. You press it long, it offs. Press it long, it switches on. It will tell you this is temperature centigrade. I show you the centigrade temperature. I can press it again, it becomes Fahrenheit 87.15, 2 digit. And this is dew point. This is a dew point, this is temperature, and this is your humidity RH percentage 76.82. It's a 0.01 is the accuracy. This will tell you the hold. Hold means it will hold the reading here, and maximum minimum means what is the maximum and what is the minimum in 24 hours or 2 hours or whatever. Range is minus 30 C to 100 degrees centigrade and minus 22F to 212, and humidity percentage 0 to 100% humidity. This one on the back side there is one power 9 volt battery is there. It has a working all, and this is RHO NCERT approved. This one is very easy to use. This is a probe sensor is there. I can blow this. See this. Inside it will change the now it is on minimum, so it is now working. Now see this temperature has it is changing 81, 83, 87. That is because of the air. Now it is coming back. It is so sensitive, it will come back immediately. I can just vibrate in the air and it tells you the actual humidity which is there and what is the actual temperature. I can make it centigrade 30 degree. It was 30 degree. I can hold it, and it will change the temperature also. See this 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 degree. It's increasing. 0.01 is the resolution, and see this very sensitive instrument. This is humidity temperature meter and portable with the battery, long lasting. Please visit the website, share the videos, send the email abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Website is abronexports.com. Visit the website, like the videos, share the videos. Thank you very much.